Law is full of endless crossroads. One citation in an exam can change your entire life forever. Law exam preparation has a lot of tips and tricks to offer. Who we are to reject its gifts. One of such surprises for me was a chance to find a fellow to share legal understanding online, and I decided to try a YouTube channel. Why not? It's better to try than give up without making an effort. So, I'm going to share my law exam preparation strategy, which has not only overcome all the hurdles I have experienced in the last couple of months, but also has made my study simple and smooth. Dear fellows, when we say law, what comes in our mind? To me, law means law of land. I mean England and Wales, law of the United Kingdom, the jurisdiction of our Supreme Court. And law means the system of established rules which govern our daily lives. There are various spheres of law, like public law, contract law, criminal law, equity and trust law, land law, EU law, and tort law. These are core 7 areas of our law which satisfy the academic stage of becoming a lawyer. Let's consider this sphere as the entire law, covering all aspects of an academic stage. And here I am a law fellow, trying to surmount it for not only to ace the exam but also for my legal career. Here it comes. Say, the law fellow finds it as an arena in the legal field where the fellow feels himself or herself a lion in the arena. Let's relate these core 7 subjects to the 7 days of the week for the sake of a regular and smooth study progression. And we get this picture, right? You know, a day has got 24 hours, so I have divided the respective subjects into 24 topics or chapters, right? And as you know, each hour has got 60 minutes and each minute has got 60 seconds, right? Now, if we multiply 60 by 60 equals 3600. Hence, we have got 3600 individual memorable points for each subject, right? Please note, we need 3,000 to 4,000 solid citations to support our argument in the exam to achieve required results. I mean at least first class, say 70% marks. Okay? For the sake of review, each point must be dispatched to a certain citation, and the citation be a statute, ratio decidendi, a law commission update, or any research you have made during your research. But this citation must be a solid reference, right? You know how to cite a court case? Here are examples. Here is a civil court citation and a criminal court case citation, respectively. Hoping you got a clear idea of my exam preparation by now. Have you? If not, please watch it again. And if yes, then I would say congratulations. Dear fellow, here on this channel, I will share knowledge, understanding of substantive law, its applications in examination, and will keep updating the notes and the slides on Law Fellow blog respectively. Hereby now, I assume you've got a clear picture of my exam preparation strategy, have you? Well, as far as you see, I'm looking for a law fellow in this huge universe of law. Who knows, you may say yes to this newer content and we'll both find a fellow to share exam preparation with. I'm ready to have a go at it. What about you? Are you ready?